Nayanthara. At first is the energy segment, which is in focus, and of course our research has been coming from 2005, 2010, 2015 and the current numbers. Energy segment has been the biggest contributor by more than 25% of profits coming in, and this has been coming right from 2005 onwards. And apart from this, even the technology has doubled since 2005. If you look at the utility segment, that has increased by 3 times going ahead. Now the energy segment at an average does contribute a very high numbers. Apart from this, the communication segment, if we see this, that has fallen the most since 2010, and the material segment's contribution has increased from almost 1% to 10% over the 7 years itself. Now let's look at the entire table. How does this actually match? And this is a very interesting take over here. You see over here that in 2010 itself, the industrial numbers were pretty high. However, they have been trying to come down if we see over the last 7 years as well. But the technology and the energy segment, that still remains the strength of it. And if we see the total contribution coming in, when it's the index constituents, banking and financials are leading these trends. Now let's look at the EPS trends, since we are talking about earnings, how they have fared. And we see over here the years coming in from 2012 onwards. Over here we see the EPS numbers have been increasing. They have been doing in the range between 366 to almost 464, 484 odd rupees. But the real bulk of EPS numbers, that the jump which we see, it's coming in the years of 2021 and 2022. Do remember that the low base is of course there, but a strong set of earnings coming in and good outperformance being seen. Over here we see for 2021 and 2022. And the valuations lastly, for FY24 we are expecting a 20 times of valuation, and for FY26 is expected to come down to 16 times.
Sanjeev Chadha, Managing Director and CEO with Bank of Baroda, joins us.